Hi everyone. So I'm just doing one more question with the utility bills. This one is actually an electricity bill. Now again, pause the video, try it before you look at it, before you continue looking to see the answers, right? And so I'm giving you a few seconds to pause it, and then we're gonna go straight to the answers. So John's electricity bill is based on the number of kilowatt hour of electricity that he consumes for that month. He is charged $5.10 per kilowatt hour of electricity consumed. So every 1 kilowatt hour he is charged $5.10. For the month of March 2016, he has 2 meter readings displayed. Beginning of March and then the end of March. So now at the beginning of March his reading is 03011. At the end of March, his reading is 03307. Let's find out how much he used in March. So now, obviously, the bigger number has to come on top, right? So 03307, because we need to take away 03011. So that amount he used for the month will be the reading at the end. Take away the reading at from the beginning, right? So let's take away that. So again, just work it out like regular subtraction. So you can use the calculator, it's fine. You get 6 here, you borrow 1, and you will get 296. You can put the 0 in front there as well, right? So now, what do we do with this number, right? This is how much kilowatt hour he used for the month. We also know that every 1 kilowatt hour he's charged $5.10. So therefore the amount he used for the month, 296, would be the amount for $5.10 times the amount he used, 296 kilowatt hour. So you just multiply that and we will get our answer, which is $1,509.60. So that's how much he has to pay for the month of March, right? It'll be the reading at the end of March. Take away the reading from the beginning of March. That's how much he would have used, and then you multiply by $5.10. And now for part 2, they told us that for the next month of April he pays $2,000. So he pays $2,351.10. We want to determine his reading at the end of April. Now, first of all, we know that he is charged for every 1 kilowatt hour, he is charged $5.10. So the number of kilowatt hours for the month will be the total bill divided by how much is charged for one, right? So you're just going to divide 2,351 and 10 cents divided by $10.10. So that's 461 kilowatt hour. Now, in this question, there was no monthly charge, right? That's why we didn't have to subtract anything from the bill or anything. We just divided it one time. There's no monthly charge. Now, this is how much he used for the month of April. Now, at the end of March, his reading was 03307, right? So that means for the beginning, I could put 0 on April, right? For the beginning of April, his reading will be the same thing at the end, that was from the end of March, right? And then ending April, right, would be, you have to add on how much he used, which would be that 461 reading, right? So you're just going to add that on, and we will get his reading for April, which is 3768. So that's his reading there, and that's it. Nothing too hard, right?